Reporter Cassie Sherm is live with what happens next as Calvin Duncan's battle for office takes a new twist.
That's right, and that fight plays out tonight here in New Orleans. Take a look back behind me here. We're right outside the Broadside, where community members are coming together to show support and say they're ready to fight back. Right now, Civil Clerk Chelsea Napoleon is handling both sets of duties.
I'm ready for work.
And for a few hours he does. Voters choose Calvin Duncan as Orleans Clerk of Court last fall. Before he takes office, state lawmakers pass a bill. The law eliminates the position and shifts the work to the Orleans Parish Clerk, concerning some state leaders.
Calvin Duncan won his race fair and square. He should be sworn in.
Duncan sues. A federal judge blocks the law. He walks in and starts work with cheers.
That was democracy look like.
Then everything changes. The U.S. Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals steps in. The court puts that ruling on hold. The law kicks back in. Legal experts say the position is now gone.
It moved a lot more quickly than it usually does, but they had this looming possible swearing in of Mr. Duncan, and that would have complicated matters going forward for the state.
This comes just weeks before a major election where the clerk of court typically plays a major role. Those responsibilities now shifting to the Orleans Parish Clerk amidst a legal fight.
We don't believe that there's anything in the Constitution that would allow his term to be diminished at this point.
Leaders defended the move. Louisiana Attorney General Liz Murrill says the lower court got it wrong and that this should be decided under state law. Governor Jeff Landry called Sunday night's ruling misguided and says it creates chaos. But city leaders don't agree.
I told Calvin last night. I talked to him last night and told him, it's like, look, it's going to be a big back and forth. I'm like, this fight is not over.
I imagine there will be other lawsuits and perhaps even the city council weighing in, because that's the way the election code is set up.
Duncan's team says he's stepping down, but he's not giving up the fight. This was his message to the governor Monday morning when he took office.
That the voters voted, when it cast the vote in November, they voted for me. Respect the voters' choice. Excuse me. That's what I would say to them.
Now the ACLU says they're going to be taking this fight to the courts, but for now, that law is in place, and we're going to be following this very closely. Reporting here in New Orleans, I'm Cassie Sherm. Back to you.
Well, early voting